Hey everyone, I'm Drex, and this is the 2 Minute Drill where I cover three hot security stories twice a week, all part of the 229 cyber and risk community here at This Week Health. Today's episode is brought to you by Google. Healthcare systems are lowering cost and boosting endpoint security with Chrome OS devices paired with Chrome Enterprise, a secure browser that's trusted by billions of users. So now there's a better way for healthcare teams to work safely on the web. Learn more or schedule some time with the Google Healthcare team at thisweekhealth.com/Chrome OS. Good to see everyone today. Here's some stuff you might want to know about. Breaking news right now, looks like Ohio's Kettering Health Network with 14 hospitals across the region has been hit by ransomware, according to the reports. Critical systems are down and elective procedures have been canceled, and the call center is also down. Hospital Incident Command Team has swung into high gear. The cyber thugs who are responsible for this have apparently given Kettering 72 hours to make a payment of some kind, or they're threatening to release patient data. I'll be keeping an eye on this one, and I'll keep you posted. You already know how much I love it when someone who works in a cyber gang gets a taste of justice. Well, you should read the story about Connor Fitzpatrick, who's the founder of Breach Forums, which is a very popular data broker site on the dark web. That's a place where other cyber thugs come once they steal data and they offer it for sale to the highest bidder. It's kind of like a flea market for stolen personal data and business data. Fitzpatrick had already been arrested, convicted, and sentenced for that and other crimes, including possession of child sexual abuse material. Yeah, he's a real piece of work. Well, this week, in what legal experts are calling a novel legal outcome, the 22-year-old Fitzpatrick has been ordered to pay $700,000 as part of a civil lawsuit brought by a health insurance company who had its info posted for sale on the Breach Forum site back in 2023. That insurance company, Nonstop Health, was sued by class action lawyers for that breach, but in a whole new tactic, the class action lawyers and Nonstop also added Fitzpatrick to the lawsuit. It's the first time an individual cyber criminal has been added to a class action lawsuit like this, and whether or not the class will see any of the $700,000 they've been awarded is probably up for debate, but it opens up a whole new legal tactic for the future. Finally, today, I've talked about in the past the Have I Been Pwned database. It's a place where you can go and type in your email address and find out if it's been involved in a data breach, along with a bunch of other cool information about those breaches. Individuals can use the website, but via APIs, a lot of companies also use the site to kind of beef up their own cyber intel threat efforts. A new version, 2.0 of HIBP, has just been released. The reporting layout's really cool. You can see all the breach disasters your email addresses have been involved in, and you can even sign up for alerting on any new breaches that are reported for that email address. More on all those stories and a lot of other healthcare innovation, tech, and security news at our news site, thisweekhealth.com/news. And come join the community. You'll get the latest security podcasts and webinars and some other great insider info. Go to thisweekhealth.com/security and click on the Join the Community button to sign up. Today's 2 Minute Drill is brought to you by Google. You can keep patient data safe and reduce the burden on IT operations staff and create a better clinician experience, all with one platform, Google Chrome OS with Chrome Enterprise. Find out how by scheduling a chat today. Go to thisweekhealth.com/Chrome OS. That's it for today's 2 Minute Drill. Thanks for being here. Stay a little paranoid, and I'll see you around campus.